Hi, my name's Tom. This is my Couloir little lunch pail. It's an insulated lunch pail and it has a couple cool features. I got it for Christmas, and my daughter and I both actually use it a lot for taking food to either work or to school. First things first, it looks pretty nice. It is big. You can see it's actually pretty hefty here. It fits well in the hand. It's got a top. I'm going to open the top up. And here is why it's so unique. It has a secondary container inside. This little container is perfect for holding things for like crackers and cookies and snacks, fruit, vegetables, whatever you want. We've held almost everything in here. It's a metal container. It's obviously dishwasher safe. This is. You can put the little plastic thing right on top there and just kind of seal it up. And then in here is where you actually put your hot food or your cold food, whatever you want. You put that in here as well, and then you just kind of put this on top, and then you go ahead and screw everything right back on. It works pretty well for soup and crackers. It's fine. It works for cold stuff as well. A lot of people complain that it doesn't keep the insulated stuff warm or hot. I haven't had a problem. I will go ahead and usually put soup in here or chili sometimes for like 8 hours, and it's still fairly warm when I put it in. One quick trick is to go ahead before you put the food in, boil some water, pour some boiled water in here, close it up, let it sit for about 5-10 minutes, let this thing actually pull the heat from the water, dump the water, then go ahead and put your hot food in there, and it will keep things nice and hot for a good long time. Let me show you how the top works. The top is actually pretty clever. Once it's been tightened on, it does have a handle. I like that a lot. I have a smaller insulated thermos that doesn't have a handle, and I'm always dropping it. I have dents in it, but this has a handle, so it's real nice. It just kind of folds down and folds back up. That's cool. Also, on the top, you ready for this? There's a little, you can see it in there, it's kind of black. Let me pull it out. Foldable spork. I'll open it up, and there you go. It's a spoon and a fork. So it's a pretty good little set here. You get the spoon, you get the fork, you get the lid, you get the container on the inside. You get all that in here. You get everything here all in one set, and it works pretty well. It's easy to clean. It does keep things hot and cold. I really like it. It does come in multiple colors. We got the black. My daughter is actually asking for a different color for her birthday, so we might go ahead and do that just so she has one and I have one. But overall, it works pretty well. The one thing I would caution you against, if you have very messy soup, you will have mess on the bottom of the dish. So if you have soup in here, it's sloshing around. When you pull it out, you may have a little bit on the bottom. So before you put it on the counter, just use a paper towel or a napkin. But otherwise, it works pretty well. It's a nice little system. Again, 32 ounces in here. It is big. It holds a lot. We've had noodles and garlic bread in here, all sorts of different things. It does work pretty well. So yeah, I highly recommend this. This is nice.